guys, so we just finished doing the dyno tuning on this Road King. This is a SNS 475 cams, and the initial pull with the stock, motorcycle stock, everything except the high flow air cleaner, made 106 in torque and 80 in horsepower. So after we did quite a bit of tuning, we ended up with 118 torque, 105 horses. So you're looking roughly 25 gain on horsepower and around 15 or so gain on torque. My AFRs are kind of low at the bottom, but I wanted to also show you kind of weird. I think it was 13. No, 14. So as I kept trying to tune and get my AFRs to run a little straighter, I was losing horsepower. So that's something that I wanted to show you guys. That could be a little bit of the exhaust and maybe clutches, a little bit of slipping the clutches. You can see how it's bouncing around right there a little bit. So, but yeah, that could be the reason why as we were trying to tune it, we were getting really bad results. So we ended up with 118 torque, 105.9 horses, I guess almost 106 horses. So we're pretty happy with that, and we're gonna get it down on the street, ride it around in town and see what it does. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. There's a lot of cool videos coming soon.